So using Microsoft 365 Copilot in Word, you can create comprehensive and detailed documents based on sources such as the internet as a whole, your organization's data as a whole stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, or an individual file or meeting. So let's take the example of the last one there, and we're going to create a document referencing a PowerPoint file, a selection of slides that I was using recently in a presentation for NILC on advanced Copilot. So you can see I've set up the prompt already, extract key learning points from, and I've referenced the file here. Now it's really handy and quick to be able to reference files because you just need to click on the plus symbol and you can see I've got like handy filters here to be able to select either all files, meetings, or even emails there. And another way of doing that as a shortcut is just to put in the /. So if I just tap in the / there, you'll see that the same effect happens. So we've got the prompt set up, so let's fire this off. Now, typically one of the advantages of doing this in Word compared with the regular 365 chatbot is the speed, because you'll see already it's producing the document and we've already got the headline we can see there, the title, we've got a subheading, and the paragraphs are coming in. And Copilot is already looking things over as a sort of like final check there. But having browsed through this document, handy table there as well for the key takeaways, which kind of like asked for in terms of key learning points, this is a really good summary of that training session. So there we go, how to create a detailed report fully formatted in Word using 365 Copilot.